Hi, my name is Justina Gruba, and I'm going to show you how to make cheesy pesto chicken spaghetti squash. It is a healthy substitution for pasta, and it has about 5 times less the calories than regular pasta. Other than being low carb, it is also packed with vitamin C, B6, and other essential vitamins. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next, slice your spaghetti squash in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds. To prevent sticking, drizzle olive oil on the spaghetti squash and add salt and pepper to taste. Place inside a baking dish face down for 30 to 40 minutes or until tender. While the squash is roasting, cut up your chicken into bite-sized pieces and toss with pesto and set it aside. Next, cut up and sauté your bell pepper. Then add your chicken to the bell peppers. Wait until the chicken is completely cooked and add the spinach. Add salt and pepper to taste. After the spinach has wilted, add cheese to the mixture. After about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the squash's size, take it out and fluff it up before adding the ingredients. Once the squash is done baking, take it out and add the chicken and other ingredients. Cover it with cheese and pop it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes so the cheese melts. And that's it. I hope you enjoy.